Hello, English Go-Getter! In this quiz, you're going to test your knowledge of English words about animals and pets. But first, let's go over the instructions. You are going to look at the image, choose the correct answer. Now we have 5 seconds and then the answer will appear. Question number 1. The correct answer is letter A, elephant. Question 2. The correct answer is letter B, tiger. Question number 3. The correct answer is letter C, frog. Question 4. The correct answer is letter B, monkey. Question 5. The correct answer is letter C, bear. Question 6. The correct answer is letter A, mouse. Question 7. The correct answer is letter B, goat. Question 8. The correct answer is letter A, parrot. Question 9. The correct answer is letter C, fox. Question 10. The correct answer is letter B, kangaroo. Hey, English Go-Getter, you're halfway done.
What? No way.
Keep going, you're doing great. Question 11. The correct answer is letter C, panda. Question 12. The correct answer is letter A, crocodile. Question 13. The correct answer is letter A, owl. Question 14. The correct answer is letter B, peacock. Question 15. The correct answer is letter C, dolphin. Question 16. The correct answer is letter B, wolf. Question 17. The correct answer is letter A, camel. Question 18. The correct answer is letter C, penguin. Question 19. The correct answer is letter A, squirrel. Question 20. The correct answer is letter A, hedgehog. You did it, English Go-Getter. You finished the quiz. And how did you do, English Go-Getter? Feel free to share your score in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the quiz, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.